Okay, so Logan's disappeared for 7 days now, but just recently I went with this guy called, I think it was called a liar, I don't know, I think he was called that. Well, me and him recently went into mountains and we think we saw Logan, but there was just like a reddish orangish guy, and when I tried to call out Logan's name, he just attacked me out of nowhere. How about you?
Maybe it wasn't the right guy. He probably got mad at you or something.
Well, I've got this new thing I've been wanting to show you for a few days now.
Well, after this, I'm gonna go off duty because I have to do some things with my family and all. You understand, right?
Yeah, that sounds good. Well, I swear it was here. I swear they put this up.
Maybe you misplaced it or something?
Just got you. Okay, so how about you? You found anything yet?
No, I didn't get anything yet. What?
Oh my god!
Fine.
You son of a...
What's the big God, this lever is useless with melee.
Are you okay? No, no, no! What is happening? Leader!
What?
Listen, the MPI are planning to attack us from this very base. They're planning to use airstrikes aided by the local government. If we don't do something about it soon, they're going to take over this base and take what they think is theirs. We need to attack them before they do that so we can take advantage of their base.
Dirty wars that I need to know about.
Look at this map here. So, this is where they are. So we need to surround, so they have viewpoints from here and here, here, and the whole of here. So what we need to do is that, yeah, we need to attack, we need to make it so that they can't see where the viewpoints are, because these are the viewpoints. We can circulate those viewpoints and get into their base. Hopefully they won't have extended security over the base, because their base is locked up like hell. So we need to... I'll command all the soldiers to do this, but it's not safe. Listen, if these plans don't work, we're practically good as dead. So we might as well get on with these plans. And listen, these forces are dangerous. They have capability. They've got the local government onto our trail. Alright? And we need to do something that we can do about it. So, what I'm thinking we do is we try to circumvent them. If you don't know what that means, basically we have to surround them. We have to surround their base, and then we can slowly push in with all of the forces that we've got. And then we can make a massive attack. And we will pretty much win.
Okay.
But I think they might be calling off support from local nations around this area. Especially, you know, most powerful forces like the US and everything. They're planning to get all of them on there. So, we need to be careful. Right, you go back to base. I'll sort these soldiers out. Right, just check the settings. Yeah. Oh, hey. I heard that some guy got attacked yesterday.
Yeah, me too.
And I was wondering if we could check it out. It's just... When do you think this place will be open? I mean, there's a lot of construction work that needs going.
Here, if it start open, here, just wait. I'm gonna get my two Not my toothpick, my lockpick. And if it's not open, I'll just use it. Okay, let's go.
What are you doing?
We're gonna go check it out, right? In the city.
What are you
Where's the
doing?
facility that we always go to?
I mean, isn't that just for the gift shop itself, or is it for another use? Oh!
Oh god.
It broke!
Oh no.
Come on, let's go.
Here, go to the facility. I'll catch up with you. Don't take long.
Okay.
We can't take long, really.
Oh, it's locked! Look, I'm rattling at the door and it's locked. So is this place too. Don't use the lockpick. I think it has an alarm. Breaking and entering.
There's an alarm right here. It's up there now.
Let's just go in there. Pick the lock. Pick the lock. Uh-oh! There's still the alarm wires! We need to run!
Wait, no! I ripped out the wires. They're probably
Then how is it working then?
sound.
Is it magic? I think they just called the police on us.
The wires.
Come on! There's no time to be talking about wires! Ah! Wow! Come on, it's our only escape.
Okay, so Agent X, what has been happening here?
Well, it's kind of hard to explain to you. Kind of hard. John got attacked.
By
No,
what?
John, my very good friend.
Huh?
He's dead.
What about Logan and all the other people on your team?
I think Logan went missing. I think he's still out there.
Elijah? What about Elijah?
Yeah, he's been alright.
Yeah, that's good. About all the other people.
Oh, Agent Y and everyone. Agent Y is also dead.
What?
He died like 2 months ago. I mean, I didn't really care about him. Ugh. I just can't believe John died right in front of me. I just can't believe it.
What did they die from?
It was like a sniper. I noticed there was like someone peeking over there, but I just didn't pay much attention to it. I was right here, and he was over here, and then there was like a sniper over here, and it just terminated him on the first try. And I just attacked him, and you know what I mean. He was like black all over, wearing black all over. Like everything he wore was black, like black suit, black shirt, black jeans, everything. So I just attacked him, and as you might have guessed,
So we're the only 2 agents left.
No, there's still a bunch of employees here, like Agent L and Agent G and everyone. I don't think.
How's he
I don't think the facility will be surviving for much longer.
Is Agent O still alive?
Yeah, he's been really busy with stuff the past week, and I've been kind of getting worried about him. I'm kind of worried about him. Look! I saw this like weird reddish orangish figure over here, and he just came charging towards me. I don't know why.
Wait, no, that might be
I don't think it was Logan. Like, He did look like Logan, but he didn't sound anything like him. He was right here, and he just started running after me. And then,
What about
about 3 days later, I received a strange tape that featured the camera footage that I was recording when I was around there. And then basically,
was it corrupted at all?
no, it was just like a clear footage. But then at the end, it showed like this weird, disturbing creature. Like there was fire on the background, people screaming. Wow! Oh, we need to work on that fan. Anyways, it was really disturbing, and I just can't get it out of my mind.
What did it look like?
It had like creepy eyes, and then like scratches on its arm, and it had a wide open mouth, and it was, I just don't know how to describe it.
I've heard another news report about 17 years ago about that.
About what?
Him.
Logan?
Oh. Logan has only been missing for about 2 weeks now.
No, it's definitely been like a week. Don't know, he died yesterday.
He never, I don't think he's dead either. But
I just can't believe he died right in front of me.
Creature is. I know.
Yeah, we still don't know who that creature is. So hopefully we survive through this.
At least
This
give it a name.
This radio still works.
To call it by.
We need to be careful on this.
Like to call it by?
Otherwise he'll fall onto the ice. Okay, good. I just don't know how to put to this. Like, John was my very good friend. Like, me and him have been together for like 20 years now. Ever since we were kids. And I can't believe he just died right in front of me. We need to go back to the facility and put it on lockdown. I don't think it will be surviving as much longer. You know, have you been hearing all over the news lately that there's like this new resistance group who's trying to fight against the MPA? Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
The Bandit Resistance. It's like a really big thing. Look, they've set up like rebel bases all over canyons. Look.
Can I wait? I have a good name.
Look at all those rebel bases. No, don't go. Don't go. It's dangerous. They're armed.
Okay.
They are armed.
What?
What?
Shotguns, snipers, pistols,
yeah.
Everything.
All those stuff. Like. No.